Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today I'm talking about this latest Yoruba movie titled Iya Eta, and definitely this has gotten a lot of attention here on YouTube. And yes, we have some familiar faces here. We have Mide Martins, Lateef Adedimeji, Bimpe Adedimeji, Ozain, and other talented actors. But the big question here is, did Iya Eta, the part 2, actually live up to the hype? Or is this another movie that should have just ended since? So well, grab your popcorn and let's get into today's video. Let's talk about this amazing movie. And honestly, one thing Yoruba movies know how to do is to create character that will make you sit down and start asking yourself, wait, why would you do that? From the beginning of this movie, you can already tell this movie is going to be filled with comedy, emotions, family drama, and plenty of unexpected situations. Mide Martins delivered her performance, her character so well, with the kind of emotional intensity that makes you feel like you are actually watching a real life family situation. And Lateef Adedimeji, this man knows how to enter character. If you are a fan of Bimpe Adedimeji and you have not seen this amazing movie yet, what are you waiting for? Go and watch this movie and come back to our YouTube channel to give your own review in the comment section. Yes, if you are someone who enjoys Yoruba movies filled with family issues, relationship problems, secret, betrayal, and comedy, I would definitely recommend this one to you. Well, if you not even seen this movie yet, go and watch this movie. This movie is an amazing one. So if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on our Yoruba movie reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in our next one.